students, here we will study about the change of state. Okay, what are the change of state? Firstly, earlier we had already taught about the state of matter. There is three types of state of matter: solid, liquid and gas. And after that we have already discussed how the arrangement of molecule in solid, how the arrangement of molecule in liquid and gases. Now we will learn about the change of state, means what will be the effect upon solid, liquid and gases when we are going to heat it up or we are cooling. Okay, so what will be the effect? So after getting heat, the liquid state change into gaseous state. Okay, so let's have a look about the evaporation. Here we will discuss. Okay, in the evaporation, the change of liquid into gaseous state, the change of liquid into gaseous state on heating is called evaporation. It means when you are going to heat up the liquid it means the water. When you are having a container in which the container is filled with the water and you are going to provide the heat continuously, then all the liquid of the container get removed, get vanished. Okay, so where has they gone? They all are converted into the gaseous state. Why? Because we are giving heat to the container. Get it, student? So evaporation, it means the liquid state change into gaseous state on heating. Okay, such process is known as evaporation. Okay, when we are means you can see the example of evaporation. It means you are throwing something water on the floor and after some time you will see that all the water get vanished from the floor. Where has they gone? Because after getting heat, after receiving the heat from the surrounding, all the water get evaporate, all the water get change into gaseous state. So such process is known as evaporation. Okay, and after, it is just vice versa. Condensation, it means the change of gas into liquid state on cooling is called condensation. It means on cooling, if we are cooled the water vapor, we will get again into its liquid state. It means the gaseous state is changed into liquid state on cooling. Okay, students. So evaporation will happen on heating. After getting heat from the surrounding, the liquid change into gaseous state, or you are providing the heat to the container, that it means all the liquid which is present in container get vanished and it will turn into the gaseous state. Such process is known as evaporation. Okay, and what about the condensation? Condensation, it means the change of gaseous state into liquid state. Okay, the change of gaseous state into liquid state on cooling. Okay, condensation will happen on cooling, evaporation will happen on heating. Okay, student, so such process is known as condensation. Okay. Okay, students, so now we will learn about what do you mean by the melting. Okay, so here we can take the example of ice. Ice is a solid. When it is kept in a warm place, the movement of molecule in ice increases. When we kept the ice in a warm place, the movement of molecules which is present inside the ice increases and they become very free to move, okay, from the rigid structures. So they become loosely packed. They become loosely packed and form water form. Like here is the ice cube, and when you are going to keep it in a warm places, after getting heat, they will melt. It will melt and turn into the liquid state. So here, what do you mean by the melting? The change of solid into liquid state on heating. Okay, then it is called melting. Get it, my points? So the ice cube will melt into the liquid form. Now come for the freezing point. Okay, what do you mean by the freezing? Freezing, it means the change of liquid into solid state. It means again the water which you are getting from the ice, you are moved to, means you just take to this water into the fridge. Okay, for fridge. Okay, so what will happen? The liquid form turn into the solid state again. It will change into the ice cube, but after cooling. Okay, So freezing, it means the change of liquid into solid state is called freezing. On cooling, this process happens on cooling, and melting is process on heating. Okay students, the same thing, it is just opposite with each other. The change of solid into liquid on heating is called melting. The change of liquid into solid on cooling is known as freezing. I think I cleared to all of you. Just well understand about this chapter, learn it, watch this video carefully, and read the book also. Okay students? Okay, thank you for watching this video.